Here's how Korean girls are doing their makeup in 2023. Hello guys, welcome to K-Tips, your daily dose of Korean beauty tips. Find out how to do every girl things. First, we're not doing a glowy base anymore. Koreans right now are into a semi-matte finish, where your base looks like your skin, but still is naturally flawless. You can skip on the highlighter, but you definitely cannot skip on the blush. Matte powder blushes are in. The entire makeup look should be focused on the blush. Make sure your eyeshadow matches the color of the blush. C-shaped blush is trending from New Jeans. Warm tone shadows are out. Cool tone shadows are in. Your eyeliner should be thin, and the wing should be short. This is only to enhance the eye look. Go light on the eyelids but go heavy on the lashes. Individual falsies are an option, or you can use tweezers to clump your natural one. The heavy glitter, and opt for a concealer pencil and light eyeshadow. For the ego side, juicy glossy lips are trending again. Your Cupid's bow should be smushed, and the color should be light or medium tone. Follow for more KBeauty. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.